guys, welcome back to yet another video. We are going to be doing a winged eyeliner. And I know winged eyeliner is something that not everybody is comfortable doing, especially I'm not part of that clan. While I love the look of a winged liner, I have very clumsy hands. I just need a very stable hand, and I just don't have that stable hand to just draw out the perfect wing. And even if I do, I cannot replicate the same feel on my other eye. So I have found a tool which will absolutely make our lives so much easier when creating the perfect winged liner. Now this product is called the Vamp Stamp. Now this comes in 3 sizes. I got myself the smallest size, which is called the Kitten. And what this does is basically it's a stamp. And it's got these hard stamps. I wouldn't say that they're very squishy to the touch. They're quite hard and firm. And it actually tells you which one is for the left and which one is for the right eye, so that you get the perfect look and you don't confuse yourself. So basically this is like a stamp eyeliner. You just dip it into the ink and you stamp it as an eyeliner as you would. So let's get started and see how this one works to get the perfect winged liner look. Now, I'm sorry if I have to be looking into the mirror and not right into the camera while I'm doing this, because I don't want to mess this up. Now, this is the ink into which we will be dipping our stamp. Now guys, there is a way to do this correctly. The reason I'm saying is because I have used this a few times and I have messed it up, and through trial and error I have found out the right way of using it. So what you do is, supposing you're going to start with the right eye, you're going to just dip this into the input. Now where you see the stamp split into 2, the lower part will go into the bottom part of your eye. So you will align it with the bottom part of your eye. So I'm going to show that so that you can see what I mean. So you place the bottom part of the stamp and you align it and stamp it. And you can see this is the smaller size that I've got. So a good rule of thumb is to just take a pencil and just align from the end of your nose till the end of your brow, and that's exactly where it should be in position for the winged eyeliner look. And I think it looks alright. You can further enhance it. So then what you do is you take any of your gel eyeliner or any other ink liner that you have, and you can just draw it out, and then you can apply your eyeliner as you would normally. So as you can see, you get the perfect winged eyeliner look. And like I said before, I'm in the size Kitten. You could experiment with the other sizes they have. They have a medium and they have a large. So this is the tiniest winged eyeliner look that I can get, because that is what I prefer. Again, it's a very personal preference. You can play around and see what suits your look the best. Now for the other eye, we take the left stamp, we dip it into the pot, and we again repeat the same steps. Now I will again repeat myself. The bottom part of where the stamp will split is where you need to align it with the bottom part of your eye. There you are. I think this one has come out better than this for some reason. Maybe I became a little clumsy with that one. So basically this just serves as a guide, really. You will only keep getting better and better at it as you keep doing it. Then we will just fill it up with the eyeliner that you have. Right now I don't have any mascara or eyeshadow or any other eye makeup on except for my brows. So you can imagine that when you do the entire eye makeup and you have this winged eyeliner look, it'll really enhance the look of your eye makeup. So I think this is a good tool. I really like it. I have tried other tools as well to get the winged eyeliner look, but somehow I did not appreciate the quality. This quality is really good. The material that they use to create the stamp is quite firm and it's not squishy, so it's not gonna move around when you stamp it on your eyes. So that is what I really like about it. So it is a good idea to play around with it. I give it an absolute full 5-star rating. It is absolutely amazing. The Vamp Stamp again has some very good reviews. So if you are into the winged eyeliner look, or you're somebody who still wants to perfect their winged eyeliner look, I think this would be a perfect tool to invest in. So one thing I forgot to mention is that this does come with its own brush along with the ink pot. So you can go on to create your own eyeliner if you're comfortable doing it with a brush. I personally don't prefer a brush. I like my Tom Ford gel eyeliner or my Sisley gel eyeliner because that is something that I have used forever. But again, this is a personal preference. You could try it because the quality of this is also great, so you wouldn't regret using it. Alright guys, I hope that was a fun video and I hope you get to try out the Vamp Stamp. If you already have been using the Vamp Stamp, do let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you've been enjoying it or what is your feedback, or if there's any other winged eyeliner product that you have been using and you've been enjoying. I would love to hear more about it. So I did do a video on how to get the perfect brows or the perfect arch in my previous video, and I will link it up here, so if you're interested you can go watch that as well. So guys, thank you for your time, thank you for dropping by. I really do appreciate it. Let me know in the comments below if there's any other makeup tutorial that you would like me to do, or if there's any other product review that you would like to watch on this channel. I would really be happy to do that for you. Okay guys, you take care of yourself wherever you are in the world. Take care, be safe, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye for now.